Japan. Its four seasons and the rich land of this country have created a unique food culture known as washoku. The seasoning that is indispensable to washoku is soy sauce, something that the Japanese have cherished for centuries. The Kikkoman soy sauce tabletop dispenser has been a symbol of Kikkoman's soy sauce and has been sold in more than 100 countries since 1961. This soy sauce tabletop dispenser is registered as the three-dimensional trademark in the United States, Europe, and other countries around the world. This is an indication that the bottle is well and truly recognized for its shape as being Kikkoman.
醤油でありキッコーマンであり日本であるって言ったらもうアイコンっていうんですか、それを世界に知らしめたシンボル。
まあ言ってみれば日本の美味しさっていうものを伝える非常に大きな力になってるんじゃないかって気がしますね。
Pleasant memories, warm gatherings, nostalgic flavors. Kikkoman will continue to be a part of the unforgettable things seasoning your life. This essence is embodied in its shape.